Okay,
So-
here's one pick.
Okay.
Look at that. All stock. Manual.
Yeah.
It's like minty clean.
When you are alone in the dark, I'm here above you at all times. When you are alone in the dark, I'm here to hold you at
Alright, so I'm trying to remember. I think I started this, so I bought this last November. So it's almost been an entire year of working on this car. We dropped the subframe, angle kit, coilovers, took the engine out of the car, because that was a first. That was a first, taking the engine out. So, without further ado, actually, you know what? I'm going to tighten that. Just because when I tried this earlier, I realized it wasn't really tight enough. So I had to go back and tighten it. Unfortunately, that did happen to some guy on our RX-70P. He was doing something in his battery, it touched the chassis, dead ECU. So, it's like a $200 job. Oh boy. Alright, so headlights for good luck. And then we get gauges. Gauges are on. Clutch engaged. And then fuel. Come on! Come on!
Come on. Good job. Good job.
There we go. Freaking rotary power!
Good job.
Now I just gotta keep going at coolant. So.
Finally.
Yeah, that is loud though. that was the only
Alright everyone, it is now Thursday, and we have everyone who subscribed, commented, and liked into the drawing. So without further ado, let's just go ahead. We're going to pick our first winner. And that's going to be Robert Hill. So congrats to you. We're going to do our second winner here. And that is Roz. I hope I pronounced that right. You're the second winner. And now finally our third winner is going to be... they can't be the same person. Alright, so the third winner is... Brian Onfire. I think that's how you pronounce it. So congrats to you guys. So congratulations to the three of you guys. I'm going to be sending you a comment here. Congrats again. The shirts are going to be sent to me, and then I'm going to have them signed, and then I'm going to be shipping them to you guys. So congrats on the winners, and enjoy the rest of the video. Simplicity, I actually just went and build exactly what we're going to do. Alright guys, so upon taking the intake off,